Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are going to be learning Stray Kids Do It. We're going to be learning the ending dance break. I know I'm late with the tutorial for this, but better late than never, I guess. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first what everybody is doing, they're getting into their spots for the dance break. Changbin is coming to the front, and then they all what they do is they have their hands and they go out and it comes together. And as they do that, they go together with their legs. Some of them use their right leg, but mostly everybody else uses their left leg. So they come da 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 da, and then as you do that, you looking down, you looking up. So 1, 2. So 1, 2. Then the next move that we're going to do is they're going to take their hands out. And as they take their hands out, they're moving to the left. And as they do that, their leg goes out like that. So they go 1, and then bring their right hand on their head. Their left hand is like somewhere around here. And they move their head to the right. And as they move their head to the right, they're moving with their legs like that, with their right leg. So they go 1 and 2. Okay, so we bring our head and our right leg to the right like this, and our head kind of goes down like that. So from 1, 2, and from here our right leg is gonna go to the back, and as our right leg goes to the back, our right hand's going to the top, and as our right hand goes to the top, our head tilts back, so we kind of look up. So we were here and then back like this. Okay, so they go back, then they bring their left hand forward and their leg forward, their right leg forward again. So they go forward and you lean forward like this. So from here we're gonna put our right leg back and our hands are gonna come out. So we are here, there, and then our hands come to the front like this, and we're in this like position like this. And when we come here, we roll our bodies back. And when we roll our bodies back, we're rolling it like to the side. So what I noticed, for most of the members, when they go out, like this is for Ian, I noticed it's for Ian, so he goes out, bring your hands together, he pauses, and then he rolls. But most of them don't do that. I noticed Changbin doesn't do that, so he just goes, because the music is so fast, you have to, like there's no time to pause, so you just like roll. So after we roll our body, and we brought our hands forward and we rolled our body, okay? Then our right hand is gonna go out like that, and as our right hand goes out, like it swirls out like this, as our right hand does that, our body looks up. Okay, so we go up, and this hand was still here, like from this position. So we go up, and we move our body up, and from here we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's like oh na 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 pa. So it goes. So our hands, some of them have their thumbs up, some of them just have it in a fist, but it goes 1, and then as they're doing that, the hand goes down, hand goes up, hand goes down, and our legs go 1, 2, 3. So left, right, left. As we do that move, our body goes in, out, in. Okay, so in, out, in, and now we were like in this position here. From here, our hands are gonna come out, and as our hands come out, our body comes out as well. So they go 1, 2, 3, and then we open like that. So let's go from the top from here, and we'll start on 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8, out, and bring your head to the right, hand up, down, out, bring them together, roll your body, look back, 1, 2, 3, 4, and open. I think we should do it one more time with just counts. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and roll. 5 and 6 and 7 and. Okay? Now, after we've gone out like this, we bring our hands together like this, and we're gonna move to the right. Yeah, right. So we're gonna move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now they're walking. Okay. In my dance cover, I didn't walk because I'm one person. So, and they are walking because they're walking to position. So they go 1, and they look to the right. So they go 1. When they look and they step to the left, they shake their head. 1, 2. Then they look to the right, step with the right leg, step with the left leg, shake your head twice. Okay? So it goes like this. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So we're going, our head's going, look, shake, look, shake, look, shake. Okay? And we're going right, left, and we kind of be walking like right, left, like that. Okay? So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, and now on 4, okay, I don't have enough space, so I'm going to come this way. So on 4, we are going to take our hands out, and as we do that, we're going to go out like that. Okay? So they go 1, like that. So as they do that, their right leg's coming out, and they're jumping, and then they bring their right leg over. And as they bring their right leg over, now some of them go like this. So I'm just gonna come forward so you can see. So some of them go like this, some of them go that way, but it doesn't really matter. It's just as long as you do it on the beat. So it goes da da. Okay, 1, 2. It's very fast. Okay, so they go 1 and 2, and then they go to position. So it goes 1 and 2. So the right hand should be up when we bring our leg down. So da da da. Oh na 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 na. So from that part, they after this part they go oh na 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 na. Now Lino is coming. Just do whatever you wanna do that part. So what we're doing here, so we're gonna kick with our right leg and we're gonna kick to the left. We go kick, then we kick to the right, and when we kick to the right, we bring the right leg down and the left leg comes up like that. So, and with their hands, not all of them do this, but it's like an automatic kind of move when you do this, because they go 1, 2, 3, and okay. And then when your legs come together, you're gonna go 1, 2. Okay. So what they do here is their hand comes out and then it comes down like this. So their hand movement is out, down, down. And what they do, their legs, they go down, and then the left leg comes out like this. So it's not like this, but it's like more like diagonal. Okay, so they go 1 and 2. Then they go, I guarantee that it's the best for you. Okay, so they go 1, slide your leg, 2, slide your left leg, and then we come up. So they do 2 down, 2 up. So they go 1, 2, then they pick their leg up, and when they pick their leg up, they pick their bodies up. 3, 4. Okay, so they go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after they do that, then they go just do it. Okay, so just do whatever you wanna do. Guarantee that it's the best for you. Okay, now our left leg was up, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and out. Okay, so what we're doing here, let's start with the leg movements, because the leg movements are easier than you think. So you kind of just go one, your right leg's going over your left leg, so it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, and as you go on 4, you look out. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So they go, just do it, do it, do it, do it. And then from here, the hand movements now. It's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So left, right, left, right. Then they go point to the left, point to the front, point to the right. Then you bring a hand in and it goes out like that. So da, na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Okay? And as you do that, you're going 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So they go da, da, oh, na, 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 na. Okay? So when you bring your arm in, your body comes out, your chest comes out, and you bring it out like that. And then you go out. Okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right leg out, bring your hand in, chest out, out. Okay? So that was from the chorus. They repeated that move from the chorus. So yeah, that's the dance break. Let's do it in 0.5 times speed.
5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and roll back. Na, 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 1, and shake twice. 2, 3, 4, out. Oh, na, 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 kick, 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 and wanna do. I guarantee that it's the best for you. Just 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and oh, na, 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 na. Well done.
Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that it helped you learn the dance. If you did learn the dance from this tutorial and want to post it on social media, please tag me. I really want to see it. So here's my social media accounts. Thank you guys so much for everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless you all. Bye bye.